The Samsung Galaxy Watch lineup might just get a nostalgic twist in 2025. Rumor has it, the classic model could be making a comeback, and that's big news for fans of timeless design. According to a recent spotting in the GSMA database, a device labeled Galaxy Watch 8 Classic might be in the works. Could this mean the return of the iconic rotating bezel that stole the show in 2023? Let's dive into what we know so far and what this could mean for Samsung's smartwatch future. The buzz started when SmartPre uncovered a GSMA registration for a smartwatch with the model number SM-L505U. Based on Samsung's past model numbering patterns and the registration, this suggests it's a smartwatch with cellular connectivity, and this specific variant is designed for the US market. A big clue, right? While Samsung hasn't officially announced anything, this kind of registration is a strong hint that something exciting is coming. If this turns out to be true, 2025 could see another year of Samsung juggling multiple models. The Galaxy Watch lineup has been anything but predictable lately. In 2023, we saw the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic, while 2022 skipped the Classic model entirely. Instead, we got the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. Going back further, 2021 brought us the Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. Keeping up with Samsung's naming and release strategy has been no small feat. Historically, the Classic models have been premium options with signature features like a rotating bezel. If the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic brings that back, it could offer an appealing blend of style and functionality for those willing to splurge. Of course, alongside the Classic, we're expecting the standard Galaxy Watch 8, continuing the trend of dual releases. So, is Samsung bringing back the Classic series for 2025? It's not confirmed, but all signs point to yes. If you're a fan of premium designs and practical features like the rotating bezel, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic might be worth waiting for. Stay tuned as more leaks and updates roll in. This could be the year Samsung truly shakes up its smartwatch lineup once again. And hey, here's to an exciting year ahead. Happy New Year, and may 2025 bring you all the tech and gadgets you've been dreaming of.